Dang, dude. Nice start. I knew this would be a good spot right now. It's decent. Walk it over this way so I can get down here and get it on this side of that red bush. It could be. It looks that it's the right size.
What?
It's the right size. It's a cat.
I think I almost pulled my pole in the water.
Yeah, did I watched your pole go crazy? I thought maybe I hit it with my lure. There you go.
I told you the cats were, somebody said that they're out.
Yeah, I believe it. And this is my favorite early spring cat spot.
Oh, this thing's got a fucking tumor on the side of its head.
Oh, that's a gnarly looking beast. That's nasty.
Nice channel though.
Yeah. Not bad.
Got pliers.
I gotta put my pliers. Alright. Jason just got this catfish just shortly after we got here.
Maybe been out for 10 minutes.
I don't think you even had that line out for 10 minutes.
No, I just put it out and started rigging my second one.
Sweet.
Got it?
Yeah. It was a nice one.
It's off.
Bummer. Jason's got another fish on.
Small cat.
Yeah, you should be able to hoist him up. Looks like a bullhead.
Yep.
It's a fat bullhead.
That could be it. Is it a bullhead or a yellow cat?
Well, there's yellow bullhead, brown bullhead, and black bullhead, I believe. This looks like a yellow bullhead. Nice solid looking head. He looks like a flathead almost.
Yeah, I'm checking the size chart on
I believe Master Angler is like 18 inches or something like
that. I
that.
thought it was smaller than
16 maybe.
that. I don't think I've caught a bullhead in years.
That was a good one too.
Left ball.
Nothing.
Yeah, it was for sure a bite.
The muskrat hit your line maybe. I was watching to see if it would happen. That's funny. Hilarious. Damn it, I was so excited.
He's out there fucking with us.
You want to go watch some fishermen freak out, man? Swim right over this line.
Looks like it.
Yeah, I feel something. Got it. Finally. It's not big, but it's a fish. It's not little. What do we got here? Bullhead? Yeah. Probably the same one you caught. I didn't get skunked. Alright. Here's my bullhead. Nice Nice fat-headed guy.
You look very seductive in that picture.
Nice. Alright, back in the water for this guy. That's why I turned my camera on, because I thought that looked fishy. You do have a fish. You silly goose. It's a oyster. Another bullhead. It's croaking. Another buried hook. Here's Jason's, what's third bullhead? Second bullhead? Third one of the night. Second for Jason. It's got a perky dorsal fin. Fish? You got one? Holy crap! That's a huge rock bass. Wow! That's a really nice fish. There's a real nice rock bass. Longer than my phone, which is what, 6 or 8 inches?
I think 10-inch rock bass.
Yeah. 11 and a half or 11? I think it's 11 and a half.
Yeah, it's not quite that big.
No, it's a solid one though. The muskrat touched my foot, man.
You didn't know we were here?
I felt something on my foot. And I looked down and it was a muskrat. That was crazy. I had no idea it was right there. I mean, my foot was here. He was right between me and my bag. Videos like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button.